So we will be talking about Mrs. G. First is we will look at its fundamentals, then the technicals, then the buyers and sellers. For the fundamentals, we will be tackling about the income, current assets and liabilities, and then the cash flow. So let's start with the income. By the way, all this data is from the PSE Edge. So at the end of 2020, Mrs. G has a net loss of 432.1 million. That is for the whole year. We can see in the quarterly net income for 2020, for the first 3 quarters, it's going down, but in the fourth, it makes a comeback. We can say that even if we were still in COVID situation, consumer spending is there, especially during the Christmas season. For the current ratio, from first quarter to fourth quarter of 2020, it is above 1. Thus, we can say it is capable of covering its obligations like its 1.5 billion short-term loan. Now looking at its cash flow, there's a significant increase of the cash flowing in and out for the last quarter of 2020. Which means somehow the operation of Mrs. G for the last quarter of 2020 is going back to normal. Dissecting now the cash used in investing, it is the short-term investment that has the greater share of the money coming out from Mrs. G. Now for the technicals, if point 2 is already the bottom of Mrs. G, then we are bound for wave 3. However, this wave 3 will never be a straight line. We have a significant increase of volume at 1.4 to 1.5 level from November 2020 to March 31, 2021. This will be our first resistance level. We are also waiting for the next batch of buyback of Mrs. G to push this up. For the buyers and sellers, duration November 2020 to March 31, 2021, BPI is the top seller and Call and UpCap SEC are the top buyers. Of course, UpCap is the broker used for the buyback program of Mrs. G. It is also observed that the activity of BPI is also the activity of the foreign who is doing the selling. Thus, it is a battle of the locals and the foreign. We have also seen the bottom pickers during the recent dip.